In this video, we will be walking through our help desk reporting tool, so when you log into your client portal, you will know exactly what you're looking at. When you log in, this is the first thing that you will see. You can see all of the tickets that are currently open for your company. By clicking on the open tickets, you will be able to review each individual ticket, add notes, and see our notes as well. Now let's look at some other cool features of the portal. In this section, you can see your configuration items and their statuses. We also want to make sure that you are up to date on things like antivirus and software status to keep your devices in top shape and protected against cyber threats. If you want to open a new ticket, you can also do that within this portal. From here, you can select the type of ticket you want to submit. If it is a service request, you can fill this out. Attach and save, and a ticket will automatically be generated on our end to begin filling your service request. If you would like to report a problem, you will fill out a similar form. We will ask the urgency of your request as well, to make sure your problem is treated properly and with the appropriate urgency. If you would like a breakdown of all of your inventory, this is where you will be able to see all of your assets. Hopefully now you know a little bit more about our help desk reporting tool and how to navigate it. To learn more about our help desk reporting, visit our YouTube channel where you can see other video breakdowns of exactly how our ticketing system works and what our CSC does to make sure the client is taken care of.